The following video contains scenes that might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dance.
Alright viewers and subscribers, what you just saw is a video footage that is said to be of a man that is a serial rapist that has been doing these kind of acts throughout the Portmore, St. Catherine areas. It has been said that he had been captured on Friday, which is the 21st of June, and they are doing some investigations and they are going to use DNA tests. So it has been said that this man has raped over a dozen women right about now. It has been said that his victim range from the age of 19 to 60 years old. He has done this kind of act at places like Brayton, Cumberland, Portmore Pines and more, you know what I mean? And it's said that he uses a knife to hold his victim to what he wants them to do. It has been reported that he will do his act within 12 a.m. to 4 a.m. in the mornings, and it has also been reported that he does not use condoms. But you don't know, me Dancehall Skilla, I'm gonna bring to you know what hot on social media and what go on, is me? Just to keep on up to date and posted, I'm gonna see all the things. So if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave a comment, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself.